Hello everyone, this is Shufyan Khan and I'm from Saidun Software Technologies. In our last video we have seen the changes which we could do in log tab and what all we can see under the log tab through the 6 pages. Now in this video we are going to cover the advanced tab, that is the final tab of this of any ACL of a database. Under the advanced tab we have provided certain features to control for any of the applications ACL. So first option is enforcing a consistent ACL across across all replicas. So just before doing any change into this, let me just see let me just take you to the application in the notes client, and we'll see like what is the current selected option into there. So here we can see like this is checked. Now we will just go and do changes in next pages, and then we will validate whether the changes are made in the ACL or not. You can see now I'm just unchecking this enforce consistent ACL across all replicas. Then I'll just go and say OK. Changes are saved successfully. Again I'm going back to the notes client, to the ACL of this application. Under advanced tab, now you can see that it is very well unchecked. So this is one thing which you can control from here. Another was maximum internet name and password. So you can change the maximum name or internet password level from here. Say if I'm in this case, if I'm changing from manager to designer, and if I'm saving this option, the changes will be saved. Now as you refresh the page, or as you select and refresh the ACL of this application, you will see a validation message that the ACL maximum internet level needs to be set to manager for this application. This is what just I had talked in my first video. So now I have to go back to the notes client. I need to do changes here. Under advanced tab, now it is set to designer. I have to make it manager to work again. Now it is done. I'm just going to refresh my page. You can see as soon as I have just refreshed my page after doing the changes from notes, it's again back. So under advanced tab, you can see you can even do the changes from here. You can control the ACL settings after doing the changes. Now another this is the another option which you can use very well from XPages ACL manager. Before doing any before showing you this feature, let me just go to the basics tab, and we'll see any of the unspecified users. You can see test3 is unspecified right now, test5 is unspecified right now. For validating that, I will just open the ACL in notes as well. You can see test3 and test5 are still unspecified users. What I will do here, I will just go back to the advanced tab, and I'll click on lookup user type for unspecified users. You can see as soon as I have clicked it, I just need to see my changes. I'll just do, it will take me back to the basic tab. Now you can see when I'm selecting test3, it is showing me the user type as person. When I'm selecting test5, it is showing me the user type as person. And for confirmation, you can save the settings. I'm just opening again it in notes client in order to see the changes. Now you can see test3 and test5 are very well changed to person user type. So with this we have covered the available features of advanced tab through XPages ACL manager. And with this event we have covered explaining almost everything of this application. And I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, as we have tried covering almost every feature of the ACL except few of them which cannot be controlled from XPages. And again, like you can very well control multiple applications ACL from here. You can do changes, you can modify changes for and all the available databases of the selected server. So you have to make sure that the server is the copy is created on the server. You have to create a copy of this application on the server where you want to do changes. So with this we have covered the advanced tab of this application, and thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video I'm going to show you couple of validations which are there in this application if you know if you don't have an access to this application, or if you don't do proper settings. Thank you very much for watching this video.